In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Facebook Meta Pixel to ClickFunnels. If you're running ads on Facebook or Instagram, connecting your Meta Pixel to ClickFunnels is essential. It allows you to track who's visiting your funnel, see which pages they interact with, and measure the results of your campaigns. That way, you can optimize your ads and make better decisions based on real data. Let's walk through this step by step. First, log into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel with different sections. Find the option labeled Site and Blog. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, it will expand and show additional options underneath. From the expanded menu, look for Site Settings and select it. This is where you control the overall configuration for your site within ClickFunnels, including things like branding, domains, and in our case, tracking. Once you're inside the site settings page, scroll down until you see a section called Tracking Codes. This section is dedicated to anything related to analytics and tracking, such as pixels and verification tags. Take your time here and make sure you're in the right place before you move on. Within the Tracking Codes area, look specifically for the label that says Facebook Pixel ID. Just below that label, you'll see a text field. This is where you'll paste your Meta Pixel ID. Your Pixel ID is a numeric code you get from your Meta Events Manager. Make sure you copy only the ID itself, not any extra spaces or additional characters. Now, click inside that text field and paste your Facebook Meta Pixel ID. Double check that the number looks correct. It's a good idea to quickly compare it with the one in your Meta account to avoid tracking issues later. After you've entered your Pixel ID, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the site settings page. There, you'll see a button labeled Update Site. This step is crucial. Click Update Site to save your changes. If you skip this, your Pixel won't actually be connected. Once the site updates, your Facebook Meta Pixel is now linked to your ClickFunnels site, and you're ready to start tracking your visitors and events.